5 genuine 4-leaf clovers just for you on this day 855 of the 4-leaf clover of the day. Yay! We're almost done with the week, you guys. Hang in there a little longer. Like always, I'll see you tomorrow. So I already found you day 855 of the 4-leaf clover of the day, but we're currently out here frothing, enjoying the evening, and I wanted to originally pick up some red clover. Granted, it does not count for consecutive days, but the flower heads are really good for tea when you're menstruating, so I wanted to collect some. And while doing so, I found a ton of white clover, 4-leaf clovers, just for you. I honestly don't know how many that is. When I get home, I'll count them and let you know. So the official count is here. There are 58 genuine 4-leaf clovers, not including the 5 we found this morning for day 855. And then there is 48 5-leaf clovers. You see, count those leaves. I am super impressed because I have not found so many 5-leaf clovers in a long time. I'll take them. And again, like always, I'll do my best to see you tomorrow.